This program is rated.
Well, we have to do it upside down, that's the thing.
No, I mean the first one he did was so clean.
Great, yeah. Oh, man, that's amazing, huh?
And of course with a heavier gauge, you don't have to worry so much about the metal.
Punching through it, right.
Yeah,
Well,
yeah, that's true
this
too. I mean, you
one-
can pull
That
down.
machine, I can weld really thin shit with.
Really.
Right, yeah.
Really
Because a lot of times when I'm welding, I have it cranked up almost.
So you think it might be a good idea for me to go back to the popper and put that floor, right?
No.
Plug weld with this thing, you think? Heavy gauge, but I mean it's
You can go with the biggest MIG wire that you can run in that machine,
Right.
then you'll be a little better off.
Really?
The bigger the wire.
What's the big stuff, 35, I guess?
I don't...
Yeah. Oh.
Sit down. Down.
Yep, I'm on top of it.
There you go.
That's it.
Where's John? What are you telling
What are you watching?
I'm
You're
not
going
watching
to
the
get a
weld.
flash.
I'm not watching, no, I'm watching
Yeah,
this
we're up in the
one.
front, but
Yeah.
second spotter's not
And then
bad.
some sparks over.
Ah, this is pretty cool. This thing's darker than mine.
Now, I usually run this one. Alright?
If you're running, you're on the wrong side of the gun.
Okay.
Because if you're running like this,
Yeah.
your head should be over here,
Okay.
so you can see the puddle. Let me try a little of this.
Yeah.
What are you on?
C and wire feet or port.
Now see where I'm heading here, the gun is away from me and I can see my puddle.
Okay.
You want to stand on this side?
Sure. Okay.
The puddle.
Okay.
You don't want to be covering up what you're going, where you're
Right.
going with the nozzle.
Right. Now, you're doing more of a pull?